Hello, welcome to this week's problem of the week. In this problem, we are given a polynomial such that the polynomial minus its derivative is equal to x squared plus 2x plus 1. And we need to figure out what the value is of the polynomial when x is equal to 5. So first we figure out what the polynomial is. And we know because the highest order here is square, that the original expression will be quadratic. So we write down the quadratic and what the derivative of the quadratic could be. So you can see we have p of x as a of x squared plus b of x plus c, where a, b, and c are all unknown. And then the derivative of that is equal to 2ax plus b. So now we subtract this, or the derivative from the original. As you can see, we've just set this up like that. And we set equal to x squared plus 2x plus 1, which is what we're given here. So now we have three variables, a, b, and c. So we have to write three equations that we can use to figure out what the values of a, b, and c are. So we know that this has to equal this. And so we have three equations set up based on what the power is of x. So we look at x squared, and the only term with the power of x squared is ax squared. So we set ax squared equal to x squared. Now we look at powers of x that are just x. We find that bx and negative 2ax both have powers of x to the first, so we set those equal to 2x. And then we look at constants. We only have c and negative b, so we set those equal to 1. So now what we do with these three equations is solve for the unknown variables. So you can see the first one we solve is ax squared equal to x squared. That's fairly straightforward. Divide both sides by x squared, and you find that a is equal to 1. Now we look at the second equation. We see that we have b and a as the only unknowns, and we know a. So we plug in 1 as a, find that bx minus 2x equal to 2x. Then we can say bx is equal to 4x, and then we find that b is 4. And then finally, we have c and b as the unknowns. Plug in 4 as b. We find that c is equal to 5. So given that we know the unknowns, we now write the original polynomial. As you can see, we find that p of x equal to x squared plus 4x plus 5, just taking these values of the unknowns and plugging them back in. And so now all we have to do is plug in 5 for x. And once you do this, you just see that p of 5 is equal to 5 squared plus 4 times 5 plus 5, which is equal to 25 plus 20 plus 5. And we find that the final answer is that p of 5 is equal to 50. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook and Twitter, and check out our website, centerofmath.org. Thank you.